He'll just lean into it.
You don't like to pat him anywhere else, right? He's not gonna bite me, is he?
No.
Just the ears. Like this?
Just soft.
Ear stroking lesson.
And then I got another big gray. If you get too much with him, he gets fed up and takes off.